Do you need help with the TEAS exam and answering basic practical questions or even just the mathematics section? Let's go over in this video right now the TEAS exam, and I'm going to be introducing you to some algebra questions or algebra question to help you to better understand how to break down these questions. So we have a simple equation here, which is where we solve for x in the equation. And it shows here 3x minus 7 equals 11. And you have to solve for the x, right? So what you would do with these type of questions, you're going to first add 7 to both sides of the equation. So this is how you're going to pretty much isolate the x. So your goal whenever you're doing not just these algebra questions, but then later on when you're doing those calculations questions, that's your goal, is to isolate whatever is the value that you're trying to determine. So you're going to add 7 to both sides. Now by adding 7 to the left-hand side, the 3x side with minus 7 plus 7, then that negates the 7. And now it's at 0, so it's just 3x only. And then equals 11 plus 7. So now you're going to add 7 on the other side, which 11 plus 7 is 18. Then from there, once you add that, that's going to give you a very simple equation now, where now you have 3x equals 18. Now, finally, the last step is now you need to isolate the x in the last step. So you're going to take 3, right? You're going to take the number 3 and you're going to divide it underneath the 18. So the 3 would be moved over to under the 18 to be divided. So you're going to take 18 divided by 3. So you pull out a calculator, you type that in, or if you're not using a calculator, but you should know basic math as far as for this type of question, and that's going to give you 6. So the answer to this one is going to be 6. That's how you do a very simple algebraic question when it comes to mathematics section of the TEAS exam. Now let's talk about a little bit, what exactly is the TEAS exam and what do you need to know so that way you can really be prepared for this type of test and for this exam. So let's get right into it. So understand the TEAS exam. The TEAS exam, or the Test of Essential Academic Skills, is a standardized test commonly used in the United States as an admissions requirement for nursing and allied health programs. It's administered by the Assessment Technologies Institute, ATI. This exam assesses a student's preparedness for entering health science fields. The purpose of the TEAS exam is to evaluate the academic skills of prospective students, ensuring they possess the foundational knowledge necessary for success in rigorous healthcare programs. The test serves as a predictive measure of a student's potential performance in health science courses. The TEAS exam is divided into 4 main sections. Reading, this section evaluates comprehension and interpretation skills. It includes questions on reading passages, paragraph comprehension, and information from various forms of writing. Mathematics, this portion tests basic math skills needed for healthcare fields, including algebra, measurement, data interpretation, and basic arithmetic. Science, which is focused on the knowledge required in health science fields. This section covers topics such as human anatomy, physiology, life sciences, and scientific reasoning. And then you have the last one, English and language usage. This section assesses grammar, punctuation, sentence structure, and contextual word meanings. This ensuring students have a strong command of the English language. So the when it comes to scoring, so how do they score this exam? The TEAS exam is scored on a scale that provides a composite score as well as individual scores for each section. While the importance of the TEAS exam varies by program and institution, it is generally a critical component of the admissions process for many nursing and allied health programs. A higher score can improve a candidate's chances of being admitted for their desired program. Preparing for the TEAS exam, Success on the exam often requires thorough preparation. Many students utilize study guides, practice tests, and preparatory courses offered by ATI or other educational organizations. Understanding the format and content areas of the exam can help students focus their study efforts effectively. In conclusion, the TEAS exam is a vital step for students pursuing careers in nursing and allied health fields. So if you want to actually download this guide that you're looking at right here, if you find it helpful, if you go ahead and click below the link in this video in the description, and you can go ahead and get a free limited access to our TEAS course. And in the TEAS course, you can go ahead and download this PDF guide right now for free. Simply check the description below this video to go ahead and access it. And go ahead and comment below. Let me know when you're taking your TEAS exam, as well as also what's making you decide to go to nursing, to become a nurse. And make sure to subscribe and follow the channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.